Hello video creators. You must have seen video watermark when you watch videos online or when you download videos from different platforms. Most of videos contain a static watermark and can be removed with Watermark Remover. But there are several occasions where you may encounter a moving watermark on your videos. Take this video for example. A moving text takes up a large part of the video, which really makes viewers annoyed. However, there are not many ways can be found at the moment. Some video tutorials might tell you to crop the area where has the watermark. Though it does remove the watermark, some parts of the video is deleted and we are not seeing the whole video. Personally, I don't recommend using this way. Some video tutorials are also telling you to use images, texts, stickers or your logo to cover the watermark, then set some keyframes to cover the moving watermark, like this. It is a way, while it is another form of watermark. Still it takes up a large part of the video and distract our attention when watching. So today in this video, I am gonna introduce another way to remove moving watermark. This method will maximize the recovery of the original look of the videos without watermark and minimize the distraction of the watermark. Now let me show you how to do it. I will use this video as an example. We will erase the watermark on it. The software we are using is HitPaw Watermark Remover. Launch it. Select the Remove Video Watermark module. Then drag and drop the video inside the software. We are now using the smooth filling mode. The square in the middle indicates how it would look after the removal. There are 4 remove mode for us to choose. Each one has a different effect. You can choose the most suitable mode to the video. In here I am using the smooth filling mode. Place it above the watermark. When we drag the slider, we can see that the effect doesn't follow the watermark's movement. In order to do that, we need to light up this star icon to enable Dynamic Watermark Remover. It allows us to change the effect's position when playing the video. Once we enable it, the slider will be located at the end of the video. All we need to do now is to place the effect above the watermark again. This is where the effect ends. Then, when we play the video, the watermark is nicely removed. You can barely see any left flaws in it. After that, we can click Remove and Export to get the final video. It is as simple and effective as that. Another thing to mention is that the removal effects varies from different background. The more complicated the background, the more distractions there will be. It is a common thing for every watermark remover. There is no perfect removal unless we rebuild the video. Alright, then thanks for watching this tutorial. If you would like to download HitPaw Watermark Remover, you can visit hitpaw.com and find the product page. In here you can get the software. Again, thanks for watching and please subscribe us and leave your comments below to let us know what contents you are interested. Stay tuned and see you next time.